So what's up guys, welcome to another vlog. This is your mysterious soul. और आज हम today we are going to unbox the MI mount. I got this for 560 with delivery charges at my pin code. So let's just unbox, because MI doesn't give a mount with your TV when you buy it. It is for MI 43 inches TV. You can even, it's same for both 43 and 55 inches TV. Let's just cut it so we can unbox it. Okay, actually I got it from the official site of MI because I don't trust any other sites. So this is a bill, so let's keep it aside. I don't trust any of the, what if it doesn't fit my TV or anything else. So okay, fine, it's not getting, just give one more cut. So that's all in the wrapper. Let's keep it aside. Let's keep all this stuff aside. As you can see, this is the MI. Let's see how to open this. Okay, you gotta open this like this. Oh, it's got double lock. Got it. So this is the TV mount. You get some screws and all for fitting. This is, so we can put it on the wall, all that stuff. You got your instructions here. As you can see, there are parts, screws. This is the TV mount, how it's gonna be. So this is how you have to attach it and all this stuff. This is how you drill it in the wall and fix it. These are the steps. Step 1, drill it in the wall, put this mount behind your TV, and then stuck it in the wall. I'll see if I can show that to y'all. That's it for the unboxing right now. This is all the stuff that comes inside it, and it has a, I think it has a 1-year warranty with it. So let's see, I don't know yet. So that's all about it. Thank you for watching my vlog. If I can show you how to set it up, I will show you. I think that this gets separate. It has 2 ends to it. I don't know how to open this. How should I open this? Yeah, it got open. So this is how it gets. There's 2 parts you have to put inside the TV and this mount on the wall. So I'll show you if I can show you all. End it now. So we are back guys. I'll show you how to mount it. So there you see, that's my MI TV, and those are the unboxing things. I'll show you how to mount it, and this is the wall which I'm gonna mount it on. So let's do it. I'll just give this camera to my brother so I can show it to you all. Hold like this. Hold it. So as you can see, these are some screws. I think we have to put this thing on this rubbers. Yeah, to stuck it. That's perfect. Let's do it. So I got a screwdriver. You need a bigger screwdriver for this. As you can see, you have to put it this way.
ब्लॅक वाले ब्लॅक डिपर होतं त्यासाठी ब्लॅक काढ स्क्रू काय माहिती त्यासाठी ब्लॅक होतं.
Okay, my brother is advising me something, so let's try that out. Okay, I think this shit is stuck right now. Yes, it got a few. Yeah, we can do it like that. So as you all can see, I'm just fitting it up. Please get another person while you're doing it, because I can see the whole TV shaking. So I can just get the TV right now because I had it inside. TV just clean it. Okay, that's tight. Now let's do it for down 2. This is the other same screw. 1 second. Let's just remove everything out. I think this was the one. Now to put this here and get the other screw. Got it? Let's just put this baby in. Okay. She's giving me trouble. Guys, please do it when you all know it. I know it somewhat because my dad taught me all this when I was a child. He used to teach me so that when I be alone, I don't get messed up. So please do it only if you know it, or else get someone else elder who knows to do it. Got it? It's shaking a bit, we have to do it more tighter. I think that's it. So let's do the other part too. Where are all these small screws? It's stuck, you have to make a hole in this. Got it. Put this in too. So yes guys, I got this too. Yeah. I think I should start working as a technician. No, just kidding. I have a good job. And I love my job. Done with you too. It's shaky. I hope I'm doing it right. Yep. Let's get the other one. I'm so trippin', I'm so trippin'. Gotcha. I don't know why I'm finding this down one too hard for me. Done. Oh, this one is too damn tight and this is a bit shaky. I don't know why. Oh, I know why. Because the thing which we put behind, it's a bit loose. This one is tight as fuck. Why the heck is this loose? We're done here, guys, and let me take the camera. That's how you do it. And the other thing, where's the mount? Where's the other mount? Okay, so this is the other mount. We are gonna put it here, right here. Let me make it straight. We are gonna put it right here so we can fit the TV in. And I'm gonna show you this because I can't do this. I'm not used to drilling in. So I'll get my dad. I'll do a time lapse on that so y'all can see it. Bye bye. That was it. The TV setup. Let's enjoy it. Thank you for watching my vlog. Have a great day. Peace out.